Hello, Unique Touch here. Good morning. Welcome to this channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, hi, you're welcome. Please feel free to move around, watch previous videos, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, like this video and other videos, and please share this video to your friends. Here at Unique Touch, we deal on all things skincare, product formulation, promixing, product review, anything about your skin being beautiful. We teach you here. We tell you what to do and what not to do from our own experience. It's not a medical advice. Yes, it's not a medical advice, but we, from what we have experienced in this field, we tell you what we have experienced, and then you can make your decisions. Okay, that's a disclaimer. All right, but trust me, I'm not going to bring anything to this channel for you that will hurt you or destroy your skin. You can bet on that. So if you're a returning subscriber, hi, you make my blood flow. Thank you so much for believing in this young and new channel that we are trying to build. Thank you for being part of the family. Please do well to like this video, share, and invite your friends to be part of this family. Okay, you guys are my pride. Yes, that is the truth. You are the reason I wake up every day and I'm thinking of the content to give you and all of that. It's because you are here. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe and be part of the family. Thank you very much, and we move into the topic for the day. Hi, welcome back. So I don't know, I filmed 2 videos today already. I don't know which one, or I'm filming because I'm still filming this one. I don't know which one is going to come out first, so in case you see me look the same in 2 videos I'll be dropping soon. Yeah, I filmed them the same day. I don't know which one will come out first, but anyone that come out first, please make sure you are watching the 2 of them, because everything I give you on this channel is the banger. So the first video I made, it's about a lotion or a cream that will give you 3 to 4 shades whitening. Yes, so now I'm making a video on face cream as well. Can you see? It's a total package. Please subscribe to this channel and let's dive into this video. Just take 2 seconds. Now press the red button. I'm waiting. Alright, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for turning on your notification bell. That really means a lot to me. Thank you. Alright, so let's dive into the video. So today we are looking at 7 days whitening face cream. Okay, and this face cream can only be used at night, please. It's just for night, and it is not for sensitive skin because it is very active. It's not for sensitive skin. This particular face cream I'm giving you the recipe right now, is not for sensitive skin. It's for non-sensitive skin. Okay, so if you are fair or you want to maintain your fairness, or you are not fair, you want to become fair, with the combination of the whitening body lotion I've made and this one I'm giving you now, you can achieve your goal. Okay, but please, this face cream, use it only at night. Okay, personally I don't use whitening face products during the day. Yes, because one way or the other, especially if you're in Nigeria, one way or the other you will go out under the sun, and God help you are living in Lagos. Traffic is not smiling. So imagine there is so much sun, even if you are inside the car, except it's AC fitted. That is the only thing that helps to balance up. Alright, but if you are entering a taxi, a public transport or whatever, and you are inside traffic for 3 hours, 4 hours, the heat, man. Yeah, the heat. So you don't want to use whitening products. I'll still make a video on that. I will tell you how to use. I'll make a video on how to use your whitening products safely. Okay, so but for this face cream, it's for night and it's not for sensitive skin. So let's go in. So the first on my list here is Madam White face cream. Madam White is good. So in this formulation we are using 4 of it. Okay, I'm giving you this formulation is for Madam White is the base face cream here. Okay, so if you are making in large quantity, you are using up to 4 cups of Madam White. This other ingredient I'll be calling is what you need, this quantity to make it. I hope you understand that. Okay, so Madam White, when you leave a picture up here for you, Madam White, you are getting 4 of it. Okay, so to form Madam White, we are using 1 rapid white whitenizer. I'm going to leave a picture up here for you to see. Okay. So to form Madam White, we are using 1 rapid white whitenizer. Another thing we are using, rapid white whitenizer is very good. Yeah, it is whitish. The content is whitish. Yes. Not any other color. The content is whitish and milky. It's not watery. The fake one that I've seen, right? They want to make it milky, right? But it has a way of separating. Yeah, kind of watery, separating. So just make sure you're buying from a good vendor, right? Okay, so 42 hour serum. Okay, we're using 3 teaspoons. Sorry. Okay, 3 teaspoons. A tablespoon is about 15 ml. Okay, so that means 1 teaspoon is half of a tablespoon. That is about 7.5 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so you just do the math. So we are having 1 tablespoon and half. That is 3 teaspoons. I hope I'm correct. Okay, so that is 15 ml plus 7.5. Do the math. Okay, so that is it. That's for 42 hour serum. 42 hour serum is really good. Please watch. I don't know which video I'm dropping because I'm making 2 videos today. One for body lotion. I don't know which one I'm dropping first, but please watch the 2 and watch other videos. Some of these serums I'm mentioning here, I have talked about them. Some other things I'll be showing you here, I already talked about. I think Madam White, there is a video on whitening face cream that I did in the early days of this channel. It is still very, very much in vogue. Please go and watch it and see the varieties of face cream. I talked intensively on my experience with them, on what they do and all of that. Yes, so you can also look at them and even choose a base for this particular formulation or recipe I'm giving you now. Okay, just in case you didn't see Madam White, so go and watch that video. You can also see something nice to use there. So 42 hour serum, 3 tablespoons. Do the maths. Glutacy intensive whitening serum. Here we are using 4 teaspoons. That is 2 tablespoons of Glutacy intensive whitening serum. That is 30 ml. Okay. Remember, I said this face cream is not for sensitive skin. Yeah, and it's to be used at night. However, if you want to use it during the day, make sure you're using a very strong and effective sunscreen. Alright, so another thing we are using here is the Koji Clear tube, the one with the lemon. I'll leave a picture here. I have one, I don't know, it's not around. Okay, so I'll leave a picture for you to see. One of it. This recipe I'm giving you is what I have used on myself, I've used on clients, and it works perfectly well. Okay, so this is experience I'm sharing. Good. So another thing is whitening glycerin, 2 tablespoons. That is 2 teaspoons. That is 1 tablespoon. 15 ml. Okay, the reason I'm using 2 tablespoons is because some of you don't have skill. Some of you are just starting, you don't have skill yet, but you have measuring cup, measuring spoon. You can use that. Okay, at least for now, while you prepare or save up to get your digital skill. Okay, another thing here, yeah, the whitening glycerin. Yeah, so whitening glycerin, if you are the oily skin type like me, all right, don't put it. Okay, don't put it. The other things we have put here will give your face the mild moisture it needs to lock up moisture as much as possible, so you don't have so much grease flying around. However, if you have a normal skin or dry skin, please use whitening glycerin, just 1 tablespoon of whitening glycerin. Another thing that is here is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a good antioxidant. And when I'm saying vitamin E, I know there are many brands of vitamin E going on here and there. I'm talking about the tocopherol. I don't have mine close, I would have shown you. It is thick and kind of, is that called yellowish? It is quite thick, like it doesn't come out in a hurry when you blend it. Many vitamin C is going around, many vitamins that they mix it a lot of. I'm talking about the tocopherol. Please get it from the organic seller. Sorry, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. Sorry. Okay, so get it. This is all you need. Okay, so when you get these products that are here, please get a very clean, sanitized bowl and spatula. If you don't have spatula, you can use your spoon. Just anything to turn and stir it or scoop it, whatever name you want to call it. Get it, wash it properly, sanitize it, okay, and then you can start mixing. Okay, so first put the creamy ones together and mix. For example, Madam White is creamy in nature. Put it together, mix. Koji clear tube cream, the one with the lemon, is creamy in nature. Put them together first and mix. Okay, this is just to avoid lumps. Put them together, mix. Put your rapid white whitenizer. It comes in serum form, a bit. It's liquidy though, but it's creamy. Put it, turn. Put your 42. Same thing with Glutacid. Glutacid also comes in liquid serum form. Put it white, creamish. Yeah, but 42 hours doesn't come in white creamish. It comes in, what color is it? Should I call it orange? I don't know what to call that color. The picture is on, you've seen the picture on the screen. I'll still put it here. So you mix this whole thing together. Put your tocopherol, your whitening glycerin, put it together, mix it very well, and then package in your preferred container. Make sure your container is sterilized, make sure it's clean enough. Then package it and you can start using it. You can also sell to your clients as well. You can sell this recipe I gave you now, include it, use it for your training. It works, they will thank you. Okay, so please, if you've not subscribed up to now, subscribe, turn on notification bell. Please like this video, give us a thumbs up, and share this video to your friends. Please, if you try this recipe, let me know, and let me know the experience and all of that. If you have questions, please ask in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to answer you. So until I come your way next time, please stay good and successful. Bye. I love you, and you are the best.